Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Realme Narzo 50A. On the front, you can see the phone's name, and at the back, specifications like processor, battery and camera. So let's open the box. First, you can see the lid with Feel the Power tag. Inside it, we have a SIM ejector tool, documentations like a safety guide and quick guide which will give you end-to-end information about the phone. Here we have Realme Narzo 50A. The phone has a notch display. The device offers a stunning triple camera setup on its rear side with a fingerprint sensor. Also, Narzo branding is below the camera module. Phone looks very stylish. You will get USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transferring the data. Now we have a 2-pin wall charger with 18 watt of fast charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the Realme Narzo 50A box. Thank you so much for watching this video.